सेवा का अवसर देंगे। नमस्कार, जय हिंद। Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in the city of Kolkata. The outside temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated and do not open the overhead bins until the seatbelt sign is switched off. It gives us immense pleasure to share that today we have landed 20 minutes before our scheduled arrival time. Mobile phones may be switched on if you wish. Passengers with pre-booked wheelchairs are requested to be remain seated and you will be assisted once all other passengers have departed. Please dispose of your used personal protective equipment like wraparound ground, mask, visor, only in the yellow biohazard waste disposable bin available at the terminal building. On behalf of Air India, member of Star Alliance, Captain Jagan Mohan Reddy and the crew, we thank you for choosing Air India and look forward to